B-I-G-Z, V-I-P, we. Every day, girl, I pray me. I watch me like TV. Lifestyle flashy, don't try price taggy. New set of gears, designer me a rocket. Money no up in a pocket.
Wait for Tico. Me a turn the side way for Tico. Me a turn the elbow for Tico. Me a go pan me ex Tico. Now, Tico now go near me. Tico will run and jam it. When they come in, I'll cool him, have it. Like a bike, Tico crush me, like a fish packy who clean me. Like a world him wicked in us. Like a chin who all in us. Like a house him fuck up in us. Fuck up in us.
Kind of clean.
Come out of the house, cause the police them can't save him. You understand? We're not in our cabinet. No.
Officers knew that controlling the situation was critical in protecting the lives of the gay men inside. One of the two men had been visiting from St. Thomas. Here, police are able to rescue him. But neither residents nor the police were going anywhere as the other gay man was holed up inside the house. The Central Village Big Lane residents lamented that this is placing their community in a bad light and claim children will be sent the wrong message about their sexuality.
As a hard time now, man, we go look work, you see what I say? And the government now set no work for it, but we still not sell out to soul. And we say woman to man, straight.
And then uproar when the other alleged homosexual who lives at the premises was to emerge. He clearly felt comfortable under the protection of the police. But how do residents know for sure?
God no Instagram. Me just buy some goated soup. Look at the blood clot in my soup. And the goat knows that, you know. And the nose of the goat that. See there? Like how the goat tongue still has a meh. See like the tongue down there. Is it the tongue? Bumbo clot. Yo, my soul is foreign. I can't bother with this. Because me and yam this or something. I don't yam me. Goat head soup. I don't like the soup. Bad people, but that's something I turn off. Blood clot, goat nose, man.
He mad for kill me. I tell me can't fight and this and that. Me go in a church, go bomb up your thinking self, click the light on everybody dead. Don't come your mama dead again.
3 years no sex.
You go away.
3 years no sex. Me thinking self.
Me can't go by a fuck up me for yes up to this or to everywhere.
Somebody can't go come into the house and God change him.
Me no suck lollipop. Go away.
The sex shop when God change him.
So we know how the problem.
You know, that's why if you come up and come suck me, I will come up with the whole of this.
Cockroach. She said she a cockroach.
I mean, I
Go away. Go away.
why you want to fuck me now? You see between them? Jesus. What I go? She love the arguments. I don't the road me today. I'm not in river bank.
No, show me teeth now, Candy. Whoa!
What's not could go on a work?
What's joke, baby?
Wow.
Talk about joke now.
Jerry see my around. Jerry kiss me to the phone.
Someone joke a kiss and kiss you. So you put your tongue in her mouth?
Yeah.
That's serious.
Hello!
That